Hi guys, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about how do you want to join this 400,000 worth of prize pool in Huobi event. So lately, I have done a video about the Euro Cup 2020 on the Huobi website. It's one of the event that Huobi, one of the latest event in Huobi website, and today I will guide you guys how to step by step join the event, because once I have uploaded the video, there's a lot of fans that actually DM me to ask me how do I really want to join, how do I participate on this event. So right today I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it by step, very simple step. And first of all, of course, you need a Huobi trading account. If you guys don't have a Huobi trading account, you guys can click on the link below, use the referral link that I provided, do the registration, and then once you've done the registration, then you will be on track right now. So remember, once you've done the registration, remember to go do your KYC. The KYC is on the account identification. So once you click on the identification, it will pop out another screen, whereby this screen will need you to verify your KYC. So what you need to do is you need to put your ID number, your first name, your last name, and also upload your ID card. So once you have uploaded all these documents that are needed, they'll just click verify, and then after that they will start verification for you. So once you have done all this, then it should be good to go. So once you have done all these two steps, first is you register account, second is you do the KYC, and the last but not least is the click on this button. Okay, this button, actually there is a vote for your favorite Euro 2020 teams and win a share of 400,000 USDT. So it's very simple. What you need to do is, let's say if you are new users, what you can do is you can claim your shares of 30,000 USDT. So what you need to do is very simple. You just need to register a Huobi account during the activity period, vote for your favorite teams, and complete your ID before activity ends. So okay, let's go on together. Okay, let's get it on together. Okay, let's say if you are new users, okay, let's say you're a new user. So what you need to do is click on this button itself, click on this link, and it will just link you to another page, which is you need to type in your UID here. Okay, how do you get your UID? It's very simple. You just need to go back to this page and just click on this icon, and down here you have your UID. So you just need to like copy paste this one. So once you have typed in, let's say I have to input this as 404, let's say 404 something. Okay, let's say an example. So I just click vote, and you're gonna have 24 teams to vote. So how do you want to vote? Basically just select whatever teams that you think you're gonna win in this Euro Cup 2020. If you don't know who is gonna win, maybe you can just Google up Euro Cup 2020 winning rates. Maybe you're gonna get some ideas of who's gonna win. Definitely, of course, you can just pick your own choice. Doesn't need to follow the Google or whatsoever. Okay, like here it says England are the 5 of 1 favorite. So yeah, England, Spain, or whatever, whoever you like, it's up to you. So just say if you like England. Okay, let's say you've selected England, and where is England? Yeah, England here. So once you have selected England, you only can select one, and let's say you have selected, you just click submit, that's good to go. So once you have submitted, then after that, that's all you need to do, and just wait for the results. Results will come out. Okay, for existing users, it's very simple. Existing users is the activity tool. You need to root for your own teams and share the 370,000 USDT. So this 30,000 and this 370,000, so it's total of 400,000 USDT. So right now, what you need to do is you just need to trade worth of 1,000 USDT of worth of any tokens. Okay, let's say if you have 1,000 USDT right now in your trading account, it can be sports trading, it can be perpetual tradings. So let's say you have traded enough already, and you can do any transaction as long as you have transactions in your Huobi account that is worth 1,000 USDT. Then you can stand a chance to get 1 vote. place you can vote for one player. So let's say if you have additional like 10,000, you have trade more than 10,000 USDT, then you have valid votes of 10. So you have chances of additional 10, another 10 times for you to get a chance to win this prize. So the more you trade, the more chances of you winning in this event is much more higher. So as long as you have do any tradings in Huobi, or as long as you have any accounts, or for you new users, then definitely can vote for your favorite team. Yeah, definitely very simple. And I think that's all for this event. If you want to know more about this event, you can I'll put down the link below. You guys can actually read it because it's just quite straightforward. And if you guys really don't know, if you guys have any questions, you can always add me in my Telegram. I will put down the link below, so you guys ask directly from there. I will try to do my best to help you guys out. Okay, so I think that's all for Huobi event, this coming event for the Euro 2020, and I think this is one of the interesting events that you can win the sum of money. And yeah, talking about cryptocurrency, I just want to do a very quick review on the cryptocurrency update on this week, because as you know, yesterday Bitcoins and other cryptocurrency has been recovering quite a lot lately, and the reason why is because of the Elon Musk tweeted, and this is one of the so-called funny tweets. Not say funny, U-turn, we call it U-turn. In Chinese we call U-turn now. So first he stated that he don't like Bitcoin, he bans Bitcoin, Tesla is not accepting Bitcoin as a payment anymore due to the energy consumption. And today, the yesterday news, surprisingly it came out. This one, yeah. This is accurate. Tesla only sold 10% of its holding, who confirmed BTC could be liquidated easily without moving the market. So when the confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage by the miners with positive future trends, Tesla will resume allowing the Bitcoin transaction. And yeah, Tesla will resume allowing the Bitcoin transaction. Yeah, this is the one thing that we need to be again and again. So Elon Musk has tweeted, for the past few weeks, he said that they are no longer accepting Bitcoin transaction on Tesla, on buying Tesla cars, and right now he said that Tesla will resume if there are reasonable clean energy usage by the miners with positive of future trends. Definitely, renewable energy is one of the things that is key things that we need to take note. Yeah. And I believe that, as you can see at the tweets here, a lot of comments stating that actually there are some countries that are already started to use clean renewable energy. So yeah, definitely something that we can monitor. But I believe that sooner or later, the Tesla will somehow accept back the Bitcoin transactions in Tesla company. Yeah, because one thing that I know that if we are looking at the market manipulation side, very simple. If let's say if I'm the person who want to manipulate the market, first I will say, okay, this company will no longer accept the Bitcoin payment, and therefore we're gonna stop accepting Bitcoin. Okay, so when it does, so he knows that I know that the market will crash somehow, will start to be panic here and there, people will start selling. So when it starts selling, then the price will eventually go down furthermore. So what I gotta do is, okay, this is time where I can buy back all the coins. So I'm gonna buy, I accumulate more and more. So once I accumulate enough, then it's my time, it's my own great timing for me to say something good about Bitcoin. So I'm gonna say like, okay, Bitcoin is good, it's good. I'm gonna love Bitcoin. I'm gonna accept Bitcoin in near future. Nobody knows, but I'm gonna accept it. So everybody will start to buy back all the coins because it's good news, right? So, but me, I'm the first person who gonna get good price because I am the one who buy all the low price that you guys sold to me. So yeah, definitely, if I'm a market manipulator, I'm gonna do that and I'll keep doing that so that I can get more and more coin at a cheaper price, and you guys who get in and out frequently will end up buy at a higher price. So the winner is always the sharks and the whales, and the losers will always be the retailers. So retailers usually will, retailers, there are two types of retailers. Some retailers, they don't have the patience to hold, and some of it they have the patience to hold. So the person that don't have the patience to hold will basically 80% or more than that, they will basically lose money. Why? Because they always buy at a high price, then sell at a low price. Then that's how they lose money. So always buy at the low price and sell the high price. I mean, this is the only way that you can earn money. Okay, let's say if you buy at the low price and then eventually it went down, what you need to do is just hold, right? Yeah, let's say if you want to do any investment in cryptocurrencies, always remember, do not invest everything into the crypto space. Always leave some for your savings, and don't throw all your savings into this cryptocurrency investment. And always do your money management and also your risk management. So therefore, I think that's all for today's episode. But definitely, I think it's one of the good news lately for today. And I could see that the Bitcoin will try to go all the way up to this 40,000. We'll try to test this 40,000 first. And let's say if it does retest this 40,000, I think that it has higher potential for all the altcoins to recover further on. So right now you can see that on the hourly chart, definitely is trying to break through the 40,000 area. And let's say if it does, it would be a very plus point for the overall crypto space right now. You can see the let's say full screen. You can see this is the consolidation market. And yeah, surprisingly, this if you can see here, this is one of the descending triangle that I have drawn, and it managed to break above. So right now, I think the psychology level, resistance level, it should be around 40,000. Okay, let's say if it really does break above this 40,000, then you could see all the way up to this probably 42,000 to 44,000 area. So yeah, I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I'm definitely gonna see you soon, and goodbye.